Who is a subject. We use who to ask which person does an action, or which person is a certain way. Example:
Who wants some more cake? Who is in the living room? Who made this food?
Whom is an object. We use whom to ask person receives on action. Example:
Whom are you going to invite? Whom did she blame for the accident? This is my sister, whom you met at our shop.
Whose is a possessive forms. We use whose in questions to ask who owns something. Example:
Whose notebook is this? Whose cell phone keeps ringing? Whose bag was stolen in the park?
In indirect questions. Example:
She doesn't know who the manager of the restaurant is. I don't care whom you invite to your birthday party. He isn't sure whose bike that is.
In adjective clauses. Example:
He knew the actor who starred in the movie. She hired the women whom we interviewed last week. The knew the family whose house we bought.
Whom is less common.
The form whom is becoming less and less common in English. Many native speakers think whom sounds outdated or strange. Most people prefer to use who as the object pronoun.
Example:
Who did you come to the party with? Who did you get that from? Do you have any idea who he sold his car to?
Quiz time.
Are you going to recommend? Cook this food. It's wrong address. Did you ask? Book is on my desk. I have no idea. Left the fridge open. Share your answer in the comments section.